Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Just a brief update on things that I suggest doing today. And with that, let's get into it. They're just minor things. And here we go. The first thing I'm going to address is copper. So, copper having a down week, down about 1.15%. But you can see, got bullish on copper here, went neutral here, bought it back here, sold it here on getting stopped out, and then bought it here a few days ago. And so if we look at this part, the suggestion was we have a potential small, 4 months inverse head and bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern, a left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, the neckline. And if that breaks out, then, most likely we go to new highs. And so you can go and look at my, when I went to the buy recommendation on more detail on the big picture, which I think there's significant upside. But let's just take a look here. And here we are on a daily basis. So, every time we go down, I buy, I don't know, let's say we buy 10 shares. And then we jump up the next day, we're up 2% the next, oops. Let's say we go up 2% the next day. I sell 3 shares. Then it jumps back down, I buy another 10 shares. That's the way I build my position. And I also lock in some gains along the way, lowering my cost basis. So I think today's a good day with a down over 1% to add some to your copper position. This is CPER, the Copper United States Copper Fund ETF. So that's the suggestion on copper I'd be adding here. Platinum. This is a big picture on platinum. And eventually we hope to get prices above 100, and that would put this large pattern intact, this 1, 2, 3, 3.5 year bullish ascending, descending triangle. And that would give us a $144 price projection. But we're trying to get involved while it's still in the pattern. And here there's again, like copper, a small inverse head and shoulders pattern. And let's take a closer look at that. So here we are, left shoulder, bottom of the head, right shoulder. Here's where we purchased. Every time it went down, I was buying. On the way up, I was selling. Yesterday, I sold some. Today, I'm buying back again. We're down 135, so I'm upping my, this pattern is intact, barely, but it's intact, suggesting on a smaller pattern basis, 104, which would break us out of that big pattern. So I just think it's a time to touch this and add to your position. American Homes for Rent. This is one of the REITs I suggested, and it's up 265 today. So I'd be selling some of that. If I had, I don't know, 100 shares, I would be selling. We have a big upside price projection. It's probably 25% above or 20% above where we're at today. So I wouldn't want to sell a lot, but if I had 100 shares, I might sell 5 shares on that. And then if it comes back down tomorrow, I'd probably buy, 7 shares, or 10 shares, something like that. But I would sell some here and I look at some of the energy names. So here, Marathon Oil hanging on to its bullish trend line on the point and figure chart, barely. So right now, your reward to risk is the biggest because if it goes down very much, this trend line is going to break, and I'm going to be selling quite a bit of it. But I don't expect it. I see this as an opportunity to buy right at support. So I'm taking some of that American Homes for Rent, the REIT, and I'm putting it into energy. So again, I'm just touching energy, adding. I have a pretty big position in some of these energy names now. Here's the other one I just recommended, I don't know, a week or so ago. This is the Spider Energy ETF XLE. It's down, I don't know, 0.92% this week. And so it's a good time to add. You don't want to add when it's going up. You want to add when it's going down. So I hope you found that informative. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. If you like and subscribe, you will get this intraday, and I think it'll be helpful. So with that, have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon.